Hi everyone and welcome back. In this module we will start our network scanner development, and actually the first thing that you should understand, we should understand ARP in networking. So why do we need ARP? So we will use ARP request in our tool, network scanner tool, to actually um, make sure to actually not make sure, but to understand which hosts in our network are alive. So to actually get a network, to actually get our hosts in our network and some information from them. So let's understand what actually ARP request is and how it works. So ARP is actually address resolution protocol, and so let's say how actually ARP request works. So for example, let's say that the computer A sends an ARP request to find the MAC address of computer B, and actually it sends a message and saying who has IP 192.168.1.2. So, and actually our router will send this request to actually all our computers. And if computer with this IP address will say, yes, this IP address is mine, it will send back this response with this IP, with this actually MAC address. But that's not what we need. The best thing in ARP, we need a broadcast request. So actually, what is broadcast? So broadcasting is actually, this is an ARP request, is broadcasted to all devices on the local network. So broadcasting means that the message is sent to every device on the network segment. So, for example, let's imagine that we are host A, and we will send requests to all our hosts, B, host C, host D, and so on. So ARP requests looks like MAC address, but only F, 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 and so on. So there's no something like digits or characters. It's only F, 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 F. So that's mean a broadcast. And we need this because we need to send a request to each host in our network. And then if we will get response from this host, that means that this host is alive. If we didn't get a response from this host, that means that this host is not alive. So our network scanner will be able to show us a result as alive hosts. So we will understand which hosts in our network are alive. So that's why we need ARP requests, and that's what we will need to understand for our network creation. So I hope it understandable for you. And if you don't understand something, try to find more information on the internet. And if you have any questions, just try to ask me in the comments, and I will try to answer you. So in the next video, we will just start our network scanner. So hope to see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.